we are getting things started, and this is what we're doing. So follow along and watch, and guess what we're doing? Guess what these are for? Be right back. We are dealing with here, and they are rims and tires for you to leave in the comments below and ask or tell me what they're for. It's a secret. So first thing what we're gonna do is I got them partially primed because I ran out of primer, so I got some more today, and make sure that everything's clean still. So I got some towels. Gonna make sure that they're clean with, and we're gonna get going from there. Alright, here we go. Wipe down. This one here is the lighter one, because if you can tell, there's some actual metal showing there. And anyways, so we'll just get this all wiped down. See, it's pretty much clean except for that there. So anyhow, get these cleaned up and we'll head right back to you. Our second coat on, and we're going to let it sit and dry for a little bit, and then we'll head right back on to it. So the primer is now done. Maybe we'll get a first coat on it tonight. It kind of got dark on us. The sun's going down fast. Well, getting a little chilly, but not too bad. Today was a warm day, about 80. So, anyways, when you see the color that I'm gonna paint it, if we get the first coat on and it's still light enough, it might give you an idea if you can't already see something else. The color, and as you can see, it's kind of metallic-like. And anyways, not sure if I like it. It looks kind of dark to me, but we'll see it tomorrow in the daylight. I think I'm only going to do one coat now on this one side, and then we're going to see what it's going to be like tomorrow. So, I mean, it's just a little bit brighter on camera, but, you know, I just don't know. Day, actually, end of a day. As you can see, the sun is starting to set. We are finishing up the paint on these wheels, and looking at them right now, they got that same look because this is about the same time as I did it last night. So, if we take a look at them, as we take a look at them, they kind of look a little bit darker than the color I want, like I said last night, or the day before, but they did look good, and I got a couple more coats to go. And if you can tell on these, the tires look a little bit glossy. I took a note from the Walker Farms book, and that is to use some grease, and I had some laying around, and just apply a thin coat around an already mounted wheel and tire. So if you can see, there's some of that red grease there. But anyways, so these are 6/16s, and tires, I like them. They're Firestone. They don't say Firestone on them like the old ones did. These are going on to an antique tractor, and that's all I'm going to give you. So, but these are Firestones, and they will do their purpose, and you'll have to stick around to see where they go and to see where they end up. So, stay tuned.